Hi dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to recreate this simple cut crease smoky eye using only 3 shades. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep on watching. So for the purpose of this video, to make it shorter, I've already done my full face makeup and my one eye, so we're gonna mimic my left eye. So to start off, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and a transition shade. A transition shade is a matte shade. You can basically use any shade that does not have shimmer or shine. So I'm going to be using this color. It's on the brown and burgundy side, so I don't know. So I'm going to be using that for my transition shade as on my lid space. And to cut my crease, I'm going to use a flat small concealer brush with my LA Girl Pro concealer. It's a very light shade that I only use for eyeshadows. I use it as a base for my eyeshadows, so I'm just going to put some on my wrist here. You just want to go above your... Notice that I'm tapping. You don't want to just go on and draw a line, because you might make mistakes. So you go in and tapping motions. So I went just straight above this line. This is where my eye hooks. So if you're not sure where to end your line, if you're not sure where to end your cut crease, you can use your brush and fill where your eyeball ends and then use that as your guide. So this is where I want my crease to end. So now I'll go and this is where my cut crease is gonna end. So this is a half cut crease. After cutting your crease, you're obviously going to go in. We are creating a base for our shimmer shadow, my gold eyeshadow. But if you like, this is also nice. You can go in, you can leave it like this. But I am creating a base for my shimmers to lay properly. and I'll be done. So if you are patient with yourself, your line is gonna be as straight as mine. So to set that off, I'm gonna use another fluffy brush. These are all eyeshadow brushes. Go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Face HD Definition Matte Press Powder. Well, it doesn't really matter the color, but this is the shade I use for my setting, to set my whole face. So I'm just gonna set this concealer. I'll go in with another small brush. I'm actually using small brushes. I'm gonna keep saying another small brush and another small brush and another small brush, but yeah, I'm gonna be using that for my gold eyeshadow. I'm just gonna dip in a generous amount. So this is it, and then following the line that I made, I'm just gonna lightly press this on. So, and then once you're happy with your coverage, we're now gonna go in with the black color. So I'm gonna use another another small fluffy brush. It's slightly smaller than the first one that I used. So you're gonna dip it in a black color, and to make sure that you don't mess up your eye look, first start off with from your outer eye. So first I dab the black here, and then I will drag the excess that's on my brush into a V shape. See? It is that simple. So to make it darker, you go in again, same procedure.
What we do here is go back.
If you can use liquid liner, which I feel like is much more easier, you can go in with it. But if you are still learning, you can use your eye pencil, your normal eye pencil. Make sure that you sharpen it very sharp, and then go in above your lash line. Okay, taking the small brush that I used to set my concealer, I will go in with the first color that I used for my transition shade and just put it on my lower lash line. And for mascara, I go in with the Essence Volume Hero. It doesn't matter, because you just can use whatever you have. And this one is drying out, but it does the job. And then on my lower lid line, on my lower lash line, I hardly use an eyeliner, if you know me, so I just go in with my mascara brush and then done. And then the last step, well, if you don't know how to wear lashes, you can just go out like this, and if your natural lashes are popping, mine are not bad, but you can see the difference that your fake lashes make. So I'm just gonna pop those in.
2,000 years later.
And that's it, you guys. It is very simple to cut your crease. And thank you for watching, you guys. If you like this look, please don't forget to comment, to like and subscribe. And if you want me to try out or show you other makeup looks, do comment down below, because someone had asked me to show them. It was actually my client. She asked me to show her how to do a simple cut crease, and this is just the beginning. And if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.